Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to a new video. In this video you can see that fractions, decimal and percentage are together here. We have to convert them into each other. So here the second row is for us. What is it? 0.25. So 0.25, there are two digits in the decimal part. You can see that. So what can we do here? We can write it as 25 by 100. This is 25 by 100, and 25 by 100 means 25 multiplied by 1 can be written, and 25 multiplied by 4 can be written, right? So you can see that 25 cancels 25, so it is 1 by 4. So its fractional form is 1 by 4. Decimal form is 0.25. And what is its percentage? Percentage is evident from here. 25 by 100 means 25%. So after that is 1 by 5. 1 by 5 is what? If we convert it into uh, 10, the denominator can be converted to 10 or 100, right? If we convert that to 10, so we can write it as 1 by 5 can be written as multiplying by 2, right? 1 multiplied by 2, 5 multiplied by 2 can be written as 2 by 10. 2 by 10 is 0.2, so it is 0.2. Now, if we want to convert the denominator into 100, look at it. It is 2 by 10. So multiply by 10 will give us the denominator 100. So it is 20 by 100 means 20%. So finally it is 20%, which is already written there. But we know that its decimal form is zero point 0.2. How can we convert? You can see from the start from 1.5 converted to 2 by 10. 2 by 10 means 0.25, and 2 by 10 can be converted to 20 by 100, multiplying just by 10 to numerator and denominator. So 20 by 100 means 20%. That was already there. So this is how we can play with numbers. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.